everyone, my topic is Opportunity Pavilion and my subtopic is Indian Pavilion. Introduction. I am EP00018 from grade 5A. About my project, topic and subtopic. My topic is Opportunity Pavilion and my subtopic is Indian Pavilion. What is my presentation all about? The Indian Pavilion will be a place that will define the country's potential to become a global power through its 5 T's: talent, trade, tradition, tourism, and technology. Why did I select Indian Pavilion as my subtopic? I selected Indian Pavilion as my subtopic as India is my home country. And it is all about opportunity. What information did I find about the selected subtopic? Discover a new dynamic India built on diversity and full of opportunity for all. Explore art in installations displaying India's space story. Enjoy food festivals, literary shows, music, and dance reflecting India's culture diversity. Why were other subtopics less appealing? The other topics were less appealing because India is my country and I want to know more about India. I also love the Indian theme in building on India's culture, heritage, and technologies, including its space program. It is an opportunity to learn more about Indian Pavilion. Uniqueness of Indian Pavilion. Indian Pavilion is built on diversity and full of opportunity for all. People can explore installations displaying India's space story. Also, people can enjoy food festival, literary shows, music and dance reflecting India's culture diversity. Gratitude. I would like to thank my teachers and parents for helping me to complete this project. Summary. The Opportunity Pavilion will show the face of an India rising on the 3 pillars of opportunity, sustainability, and mobility, a nation ready to lead the world's future. The Opportunity Pavilion highlights the country's growth story from Harappan civilization to modern India. Thank you.